Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and we're standing on a brand new Premier 250 Solaris. So the Solaris is one down from their top trim level. Really nicely done, really soft plush upholstery, nice embossing work. It's really nicely finished out. LED lights in your seat bases, also LED lights in your speakers all the way around the boat. This one has wraparound seating in the front, dual captain seats, and the Rev floor plan in the back. This one was also ordered with dual bimini tops. There is a piece of zips between these two to give you full shade, and the stern bimini is a power bimini. So the Rev floor plan, this whole thing actually spins. There's another boat right next to it, so I can't spin it around here in the showroom, but if you can imagine, this entire U-shaped seat spins 360 degrees. Magnetized cups, magnetized tables in here. This table will also lower down the seat height, and there's a cushion that goes over top of it to turn that into one big sun pad. So really nicely done. Large Simrad screen in the dash, so chart plotter, downscan sonar, all of your gauges run through that as well, and JL audio on board the boat, so very good audio system. Really nice transom area back here, lots of room, and one of the neatest things I've seen in a while on a pontoon boat. So the ladder actually has a gas strut in it, so instead of bringing the ladder up when you get done swimming, all you do is just start driving and the force of the water brings your ladder back up. So pretty well done. So if you got any questions about this or any other of the models you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We look forward to helping you out.